This video is going to help you link two power chords together. We're going to do the D chord and the A chord. For D, you want the 5th fret on the A string and the 7th fret on the D string. There's your D power chord shape. For the A chord, you want the 5th fret on the E string, 7th fret on the A string. That gives you your A power chord shape. So now we have D and we have A. Let's do 4 beats on each. It sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. See if you can do 2 beats on each like this. 2, 2, 2, 2. We're going to do 1 beat on each like this.